Boom, what's up fast and welcome back to the channel, and today I got a super special video for you guys. Today I'm actually going to be showing you a few hidden features that you might not know about your Mercedes-Benz. Now, the Mercedes I'm talking about is going to be, oh my god, not this again. The one I'm going to be talking about is my one. If you don't know, I've got the 2019 plate new A-Class, so it's the one with the dual 10-inch display screens. And yeah, I think these features are just pretty much helpful. I use two of them on a daily basis. The other two, well, one of them can be used like, well, you'll see about the other two anyway when I explain what they are, but I think we should just get straight into the video. So let's get rolling, guys. Right, now we're going to start the video outside the car, because for those of you that don't know, my car is keyless entry. So that means that's my left hand here, my right hand's obviously on the camera. The car's locked right now, you can see the wind mirrors in, lights are off. So keyless entry means I literally do not have to take the key out of my pocket to open the car door. I just walk up to it, grab the handle, it senses that the key's in my pocket, and there you go, I get in my car, drive off. And obviously if I'm done as well, going home, lock the car, boom, still again no key. That's how keyless entry works, right? Now, what's gonna happen if you forgot your key in the car? So that's the key now, keys in the car, boom, I've left it here now. With me, sometimes I wear joggers and like the pockets are really loose, and I hate when my key falls out because it's gonna fall into the little no man's land where, you know, where you lose all your coins and you just don't get shit back. Obviously I don't want my key to fall there, so I'll put it in a little space provided, because there's like a little, why is it so blurry? And what is this sound? Yeah, sorry about the sound, I don't know what that is, but so I put my key in the little space that's provided, or I've put it in the wireless charge port, whatever the fuck, and I've forgotten about it now. So obviously, oh, I'm in a rush, getting out of my car, I need to go. Boom, can't lock it. See that? Can't lock it because the key's inside. But obviously, if I take the key out now, it's gonna lock. Once again, I'll leave it on the, so it's right there. Cannot lock it. Cannot lock it. But grab the key, lock it. There you go. So now you murky guys know. I don't know if this works the same on Beamers and Audis and any other car that has keyless entry, but if you got a Merc and it's the new one, the new facelift one, you're not gonna lock yourself out of the car. Very handy. Now, hidden tip number 2. Everybody, their mother and their father and their great grandfather and their brother always ask me, Fast KXR, how do you watch movies in your car? And it's simple. I just gotta tell them it's because
I am Iron Man.
Now, once again, this is how I do it in my car. It's gonna work for any new A-Class. It will probably work for any of the newer Mercs as well. I don't know if it's gonna work for Audis and Beamers. I've seen people do it in Beamers and the old Mercs, but I don't know if they had to retrofit it or code it or whatever. But if you got a new Merc, this is how it's gonna work. It's dead simple. And there's 2 ways to do it. You can do it through your phone or through a USB. Let me show you the phone way first. Now, with the phone, I'm just gonna say I got a Samsung, so I don't know if it's gonna work for iPhone, because I know iPhone's got like extra security and you can't download shit, whatever. But with Samsung, because you can download stuff, it's pretty simple. All you really need to do is get a movie downloaded onto your phone, and it's dead simple. Bring a USB, yeah, see that? Your USB charger, your cable, your fast charge cable. Plug it into your phone, yeah. In fact, let me show you first. So look, as you can see, I've got a couple movies there. I got Endgame, I got Ant-Man and the Wasp there, I got Infinity War, a couple movies there, right? So you get the movie on your phone. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. No, I didn't. So just to show you, this is Endgame. Play video, this is Endgame right now, right? See that? That's Tony Cap. This is Endgame. And turn the sound up in the car.
I still love you.
If you see Endgame, you know this is Endgame, right? So get the movie, put the movie on your phone, and it's simple, right? You go to your car, go to your media, and you want to switch from Bluetooth to USB. Now, when you do this, it's gonna start running pretty much all your media, well, not all your videos that are on your phone. So as you can see, I've got other movies. I got Wolf of Wall Street, I've got Shaft, I got Infinity War, oops, I got Iron Man, Iron Man 3, Black Klansman, Fast and Furious. So these movies are all on my phone. Let's say I want to watch Iron Man 3. You switch from Bluetooth to USB, simple, that's it. Now the movie's running. You can see that 5 seconds in.
A famous man once said, "We create our own demons."
See that?
Who said that? What does that even mean? Doesn't matter. I said it because he said it.
Somewhere in
So
the
now
movie, so you know
he was famous and basically getting said by.
So So I could be chilling here watching Iron Man, that's it. Get some snacks, you know what I'm saying? Can we go to somewhere where there's actually shit happening, like? What's going on here? There you go. Easy as that. So you put the movie on your phone, you put the movie on your phone, plug the USB in, click USB on here, that's it. You're watching your fucking movies, okay? You are watching your fucking movie. Now the second step, this one's easier. I usually do this one, but I lost my USB that had all my movies on it, so I can't do it. Literally the same thing, it's not fucking rocket science. Get a movie, put it on the USB, click USB, it's gonna come up with your folders if you have any, and then you just click the fucking movie that you wanna watch. It's dead simple. Try and get MP4s, because I know MP4s work for sure, because that's what I use. You can try other AVF or FLT, I don't know what they are. You can try them, see if they work, if they don't, I don't know, but MP4s should work perfectly well. You don't need to do anything special. Just put the movies on the USB or put them on your phone if you have a Samsung. Go to your car, media, switch from Bluetooth to USB, and then that is it. Your movie should be running perfectly smooth, fine. Oh, also, by the way, like I said, because this runs all your media off your phone, if you do happen to have, if you do happen to have, I don't know, videos or memes, anything that you just want to watch, like this is, yeah, that's a car video that I took on my phone. So if for whatever reason you want to watch car videos on your phone, then you can do that as well, any video on your phone. But obviously the main reason people want to know this is to watch movies. So put the movie in your phone, plug it in a USB, click USB on here, that's it, you're watching a movie. Simple. Number 3, probably my favorite, no, not even probably, my favorite feature of this car. I remember in one of my reviews I was talking about the active brake assist, how if you're driving, the car brakes itself, obviously it's a safety feature. I managed to figure out, it was a long time ago, but I managed to figure out how to turn it off. Dead simple as well. I've driven older Mercs, I didn't actually know how to turn it off on the old ones, so I don't know if that's a thing where I just didn't have enough time to figure it out, or you just can't turn it off. But in the new Mercs you can turn it off, so simple. Once again, boom, down here, see that button with the car on it? Where's the focus? Boom, you press that. That's going to take you to your car settings, quick access. Quick access, you want to go to assistant. Oh wait, the car needs to be on, my bad. So car needs to be on, and then you want to go to active brake assist and just turn it all the fucking way off. That's obviously if you want it off. If you want it on, keep it on. If you don't want your car to be braking for no fucking reason, turn it off, because it's so fucking annoying and I can't stand it. Honestly, it's the first thing I do when I get in my car. I turn this off before I put my seatbelt on. I can't stand it. So yeah, that button, assistance, active brake assist, turn that shit off. And fourth and finally, the last hidden feature is your car will actually tell you when you're running out of battery, when your car battery's dying. Now, this is going to be especially helpful if you're doing step 2 a lot, you're watching, or sorry, feature 2 a lot, you're watching a lot of movies, because obviously you're sitting in the car, the engine's off, you're running up you're using up the battery, right? So let me show you the email I got. There you go. I got an email and a text. I think your car does have to be connected to Mercedes Me first, but look, it will tell you that your charge status is critical, so basically charge your car up. And yeah, this one time I was watching movies, I was just chilling in the car watching movies, obviously, and then I was turning the car on, but I guess I wasn't turning it on for as long as I thought I should have been, or as frequent as I thought I should have been. And then yeah, here's me thinking, oh, okay, yeah, cool, my car's calm. Then I get this and it's like, nah mate, your battery's dying, like charge the fucking battery. So that's obviously going to be really helpful. Another thing that happened to me once is I was chilling, it was like 3 AM as well. This was in my Beamer, it was 3 AM, I was listening to music, I was chilling in the car with someone, and then obviously the Beamer, it turns itself off to like preserve battery every once in a while, but I was turning the car on, turned the engine on to like charge up the battery. But again, I wasn't doing it for long enough or as frequent enough. And then the infotainment goes off and I go to start it up and it's like, nah mate, there's no more battery. I was like, oh shit, it was fucking 3 AM. I was out of ends. Luckily I wasn't that far, but it was 3 AM, I was out of ends, no fucking car. It was just really peak, innit? So long story short, that was really annoying. You don't want that to happen to you. So if you can, get your Mercedes Me signed up to your car, and if you're gonna be in your car chilling, listening to music or watching movies, whatever, or just chilling with the fucking lights on, obviously it is gonna drain battery, so you're gonna wanna have something that's gonna tell you, look, your car battery's fucking up, like turn the car on and actually let it run for a bit. But yeah, Fourth and finally, your car will tell you when you're running out of battery. So that's it for the video, Fast Gang. I hope you all appreciated that, especially the second tip, because I know everyone, like I said, literally everyone has been asking me, how do you do this, how do you do this, how do you do this? So you finally know how to watch movies in your car. Enjoy. Make sure you're checking on your battery if you don't have a Merc and you don't have Mercedes Me. But oh my god. But yeah, I need a like, I need a comment, and I need a subscribe from all of you, because I just told you guys how to watch movies in your car. So you can be chilling, okay, in your car and watch movies, you know what I'm saying? Movie nights just got lit because of Fast KXR, okay? So drop that like, drop that comment, drop that subscribe. I want to see at least 100 likes for that. At least 100 likes for that. I just told you guys how to watch movies in your fucking brand new Merc. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I'm out, Fast Gang. Peace. Bonus tip, I just remembered for you guys, because this car is keyless entry and exit, let's just say you forgot your windows open, look. You've left your car, you don't really want to go back inside, turn the ignition on. It's the 21st century, stop it, look, keyless. When it works, it don't want to work, I'll go fuck myself then. Bonus tip for you guys, I just remembered as I was leaving the car, let's just say you left your windows open, you know what I'm saying, or your sunroof open, and you can't be bothered to get back in your car. I mean, you gotta get in there, you gotta turn the ignition on. It's just so fucking long. Nobody can bother to do that. Listen, it's the 21st century, okay? It's keyless entry, it's keyless exit. All you gotta do is lock the car, but keep holding the button down. And there you go. Everything closes. Just like magic. You see that? I don't have to go back in the car. It's done now. I told you guys. I am Iron Man. Lash from the nightlife. Nice out with no wife. That shit called Judy.